So at the moment I'm playing around with an old phone, an old telephone, one of those ones with the old dials on it. And it's kind of fun and I want to turn it into something. So first off I need to figure out how I can do the bell, the ding ding bell. And then we're going to figure out how we can use the speaker and the microphone in the handset. I'm stuck on the modern age terms, I think. So my desk is a complete mess, but I thought I would show you this. This is an old telephone I picked up. And I wanted to try and make the bell ring, as well as some other things that I plan on doing with it. So I have hooked up a little circuit. So this bell, so we've got two 500 ohm coils on either side of this electromagnet thing that kind of rings the bell. So if you watch down here, let's see if I can zoom in on that. So if you watch down there while I play around, so that is the thing ringing the bell. And to do that we need AC, or at least the equivalent. So I'm using a H-bridge to do it, an L293D, and I'm just pinging it back and forth. It's a motor driver, and so that reverses the voltage essentially, so we can ping it back and forth. Now I just need to figure out how to do that with, I don't know, an AT Tiny 85 or something like that.